Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, where we explore the mysteries behind the foods we eat every day. Today, we're delving into the world of oats, those humble grains that have found their way into our breakfast bowls, granola bars, and even skincare products. But are oats truly the wholesome superfood they're often made out to be? Or do they harbor secrets that might surprise you? Join us as we uncover the truth about oats, the pros, the cons, and perhaps even a shocking discovery that could change the way you view this pantry staple. So let's dive right in and explore whether oats are indeed good or bad for you. Buckle up, because this journey might just leave you rethinking your morning routine. First up, did you know oats contain a range of essential nutrients that contribute to overall health? They are particularly rich in manganese, a mineral important for bone health, wound healing, and metabolism. Phosphorus is vital for the formation and maintenance of healthy bones and teeth, as well as for energy production and cell repair. Oats provide a significant amount of magnesium, which plays a role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including muscle and nerve function, blood glucose control, and blood pressure regulation. Copper is necessary for the production of red blood cells, connective tissue formation, and the functioning of the immune and nervous systems. While the iron in oats is not as readily absorbed as that from animal sources, it still contributes to the formation of hemoglobin and myoglobin, which carry oxygen in the blood and muscles, respectively. They also contain zinc is essential for immune function, wound healing, DNA synthesis, and cell division. Folate, or vitamin B9, is important for DNA synthesis and repair, cell division, and the formation of red blood cells. Oats contain various B vitamins, including thiamine B1, riboflavin B2, niacin B3, pantothenic acid B5, pyridoxine B6, and biotin B7, which are involved in energy metabolism, nerve function, and maintaining healthy skin and hair. What's more, oats are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber found in oats, particularly beta-glucan, forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, which helps reduce cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol-rich bile acids and removing them from the body. Soluble fiber also helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. The soluble fiber in oats slows down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Fiber also adds bulk to the diet and promotes feelings of fullness and satiety, which can aid in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, oats contain various antioxidants, including avenanthramides, which offer numerous health benefits. Avenanthramides have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. These antioxidants may also help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and protect against the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which can contribute to atherosclerosis and heart disease. Avenanthramides have been shown to soothe and protect the skin from irritation and itching, making oats a popular ingredient in skincare products for conditions such as eczema and dermatitis. Let's not forget that oats can be a valuable tool for individuals looking to manage their weight. As mentioned earlier, the fiber content in oats promotes feelings of fullness and satiety, which can help prevent overeating and aid in weight loss or weight maintenance efforts. Oats are relatively low in energy density, meaning they provide fewer calories per gram compared to many other foods, making them a filling yet calorie-controlled option for meals and snacks. They also offer a balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats, along with essential vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritious choice as part of a balanced diet. Oats are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes. Oatmeal is a classic breakfast option that can be customized with various toppings, such as fruit, nuts, seeds, and spices, to suit individual tastes and preferences. Oats can be used in baking recipes to add texture, moisture, and nutritional value to muffins, cookies, bread, and other baked goods. Did you know oats can be transformed into homemade granola bars, energy bites, and trail mix for convenient and nutritious snacks on the go? Rolled oats can be used as a thickening agent in soups, stews, and sauces, adding texture and heartiness to savory dishes. Now let's delve deeper into each of the cons associated with eating oats. Oats themselves are naturally gluten-free grains. However, they are frequently processed and transported alongside gluten-containing grains like wheat, barley, and rye. This cross-contamination can occur at various stages of production, including harvesting, transportation, storage, and processing. For individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, even trace amounts of gluten can trigger adverse reactions, including digestive issues, malabsorption of nutrients, intestinal damage, and other health complications. Therefore, it's crucial for those following a gluten-free diet to be cautious when consuming oats to avoid inadvertent exposure to gluten. To address the issue of gluten contamination, individuals with gluten-related disorders should opt for certified gluten-free oats. These oats are grown, harvested, processed, and packaged in facilities that adhere to strict gluten-free standards and undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet the gluten-free threshold established by regulatory agencies. Consuming certified gluten-free oats allows individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity to safely incorporate oats into their diets without risking adverse reactions or compromising their health. By prioritizing certified gluten-free oats, individuals can enjoy the nutritional benefits of oats while minimizing the risk of gluten contamination and its associated consequences. Overall, while oats can be a nutritious addition to many diets, individuals with gluten-related disorders need to exercise caution and select certified gluten-free oats to avoid potential health risks associated with gluten contamination. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Moreover, despite being nutrient-dense, oats are also calorie-dense, especially when prepared with high-calorie toppings or added ingredients such as sugar, butter, or cream. Consuming large portions of oat-based dishes or snacks without considering portion sizes can lead to an excessive calorie intake, potentially contributing to weight gain or difficulty in managing weight. Phytic acid, also known as phytate, is a naturally occurring compound found in many plant-based foods, including oats. While phytic acid has some health benefits, such as antioxidant properties and potential anti-cancer effects, it can also interfere with mineral absorption in the body. Phytic acid binds to minerals such as calcium, iron, zinc, and magnesium in the digestive tract, forming insoluble complexes known as phytates. These complexes are not readily absorbed by the body, leading to reduced bioavailability of minerals and potentially contributing to mineral deficiencies over time. As oats are a significant source of phytic acid, excessive consumption, especially in raw or minimally processed forms, may pose a risk of mineral malabsorption and deficiency, particularly in vulnerable populations such as children, pregnant women, and individuals with poor dietary diversity or compromised nutrient absorption. To mitigate the effects of phytic acid, several strategies can be employed. First, soaking oats in water or an acidic medium before consumption can help reduce phytic acid levels by activating phytase enzymes, which break down phytic acid. Second, sprouting oats involves germinating the grains, which can increase phytase activity and decrease phytic acid content. Third, fermenting oats through processes like sourdough fermentation or yogurt making can degrade phytic acid and improve mineral bioavailability. Fourth, consuming oats alongside foods rich in vitamin C can enhance the absorption of non-heme iron, counteracting the inhibitory effects of phytic acid on iron absorption. While phytic acid content in oats may pose a concern for some individuals, incorporating diverse and balanced dietary sources of minerals, as well as employing strategies to mitigate the effects of phytic acid, can help maintain optimal nutrient status and promote overall health. By being mindful of phytic acid content and implementing appropriate preparation methods, individuals can continue to enjoy the nutritional benefits of oats while minimizing the potential drawbacks associated with phytic acid and its impact on mineral absorption. While oats are generally considered a well-tolerated and nutritious food for many people, some individuals may experience digestive discomfort or gastrointestinal symptoms after consuming oats. These symptoms can vary in severity and may include: some individuals may experience abdominal bloating after consuming oats, which can be accompanied by feelings of fullness, discomfort, and distension in the abdomen. They contain fermentable carbohydrates known as FODMAPs, fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols, which can be difficult for some people to digest. Consumption of FODMAP-rich foods like oats may lead to increased gas production and flatulence. For individuals with sensitive digestive systems or underlying gastrointestinal conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, consuming oats may trigger episodes of diarrhea or constipation due to their high fiber content and potential laxative effects. Some individuals may experience abdominal pain or cramping after eating oats, particularly if they have a sensitivity or intolerance to certain components of oats, such as gluten-like proteins, avenin, or other allergenic compounds. Oats are naturally low in fat and acidity, making them generally well tolerated by individuals with acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. However, for some individuals, consuming oats in large quantities or combination with other acidic or high-fat foods may exacerbate symptoms of heartburn or acid reflux. By being mindful of individual tolerance levels and incorporating oats into a well-balanced diet, individuals can enjoy the nutritional benefits of oats while minimizing the risk of digestive discomfort or adverse reactions. If persistent digestive issues occur after consuming oats, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation and guidance. Conventionally grown oats may contain pesticide residues from agricultural practices, such as spraying pesticides to control pests and weeds. Prolonged exposure to pesticide residues through the consumption of contaminated oats may pose potential health risks, including adverse effects on human health and the environment. Opting for organic oats can mitigate exposure to pesticide residues and promote environmental sustainability. Now that we've discussed the pros and cons of eating oats, it's time to explore surprising discoveries. One of the most notable discoveries about oats is their ability to reduce LDL cholesterol levels, often referred to as bad cholesterol. The soluble fiber found in oats, particularly beta-glucan, forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract that binds to cholesterol, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. Regular consumption of oats as part of a healthy diet has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease and improving heart health. What's more, oats have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower and more gradual increase in blood sugar levels compared to many other carbohydrate-rich foods. This makes oats particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those seeking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. The soluble fiber in oats helps slow down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, promoting better blood sugar control and reducing the risk of spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Did you know oatmeal has long been used as a soothing remedy for various skin conditions, including eczema, dry skin, and itching? Oats have long been recognized for their soothing properties when applied to the skin. This surprising discovery stems from oats' rich content of bioactive compounds, including avenanthramides and beta-glucans, which possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and alleviate itchiness associated with various skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. They contain natural humectants that help attract and retain moisture in the skin. When used in skincare products such as lotions, creams, and bath soaks, oats form a protective barrier on the skin's surface, preventing moisture loss and keeping the skin hydrated and supple. This surprising discovery makes oats an effective ingredient in moisturizers for individuals with dry or sensitive skin, providing long-lasting hydration without clogging pores or causing irritation. Oats possess mild exfoliating properties that help remove dead skin cells and impurities from the skin's surface, revealing a smoother, brighter complexion underneath. Oatmeal-based scrubs and masks gently slew away dull, rough skin without causing micro-tears or irritation, making them suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. Recent research suggests that oats may have anti-aging effects on the skin due to their ability to stimulate collagen production and improve skin elasticity. The antioxidants present in oats help neutralize free radicals, which are known to contribute to premature aging and skin damage. Regular use of oat-based skincare products may help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, promoting a youthful and radiant complexion over time. Oats offer natural relief for sunburned skin by reducing inflammation, soothing pain, and promoting healing. Oatmeal baths and compresses provide instant relief from sunburn symptoms, such as redness, swelling, and discomfort, while oat-based lotions and creams help replenish lost moisture and restore the skin's barrier function. This surprising discovery underscores the therapeutic potential of oats as a gentle and effective remedy for sun-damaged skin. Incorporating oats into skincare routines can unlock a treasure trove of skin benefits, offering gentle yet effective solutions for a variety of skin concerns. Whether used as a standalone ingredient or combined with other nourishing botanicals, oats continue to amaze with their versatile and transformative effects on skin health and beauty. But wait, there is more. Oats are relatively sustainable crops compared to many other grains. They require less water and fertilizer to grow and have a lower environmental footprint. Oats also play a beneficial role in crop rotation, helping to improve soil health and reduce erosion. They can be grown in diverse climates and soil conditions, making them a versatile and environmentally friendly crop choice for farmers around the world. Oats have undergone a culinary renaissance in recent years, inspiring creative and innovative recipes beyond traditional oatmeal and granola. From savory oat-based dishes like oat risotto and oat-crusted fish to sweet treats like oat flour pancakes and oat milk lattes, oats have found their way into a wide range of culinary creations. The versatility of oats allows for endless experimentation in the kitchen, catering to diverse tastes and dietary preferences. As we reach the end of our journey exploring the pros and cons of eating oats, along with some surprising discoveries, you might be wondering, is oatmeal good or bad? Well, like many things in life, the answer isn't black and white. Oatmeal brings a plethora of benefits to the table, from its nutrient-rich profile and cholesterol-lowering properties to its soothing effects on the skin. However, it's not without its considerations. We've uncovered potential drawbacks, such as gluten contamination, calorie density, and the presence of compounds like phytic acid that may affect mineral absorption or trigger digestive discomfort in some individuals. But here's the bottom line. Oatmeal can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet and skincare routine when consumed mindfully and in moderation. Its versatility and health benefits make it a popular choice for many. So, rather than labeling oatmeal as inherently good or bad, let's view it as a versatile and nourishing option that can be enjoyed responsibly, while being mindful of individual health needs and preferences. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and listening to your body's cues along the way. And with that, we bid farewell to our oatmeal adventure, armed with a deeper understanding of its complexities and surprises. Here's to embracing the oats of life, one wholesome bowl at a time. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.